Jackson's first time ever on his new quad. He's up at the top of that big hill there, about to come down it. Just picked it up today. He got hooked up for free. It's a Geo 110. It's based off of the Polaris 90, I believe. But look how proud he is. Look at the camera and say, my first time riding.
My first time riding.
And you can already ride it like almost ungoverned. When you go up the hill, you got to go up it a little bit quicker, okay? Go quick! Oh, I'm proud of him. We picked it up. We got it running in the afternoon, and he actually helped me with the entire thing. So now he's actually got a pretty badass little machine for himself. We're actually going to put some bigger tires on the back and on the front and make it a reasonable machine so we can tail behind me on the trike. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching.